Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello everyone, I'm Medhavini and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a sensory activity. At Footprints, we follow the high scope curriculum for better learning. In this activity, what we'll be learning is how we classify objects and colors. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Footprints YouTube channel for all these types of amazing activities and learning. Okay, so are you ready to see our super awesome sensory bin activity? Let's get started on our sighting adventure. For this colorful journey, you'll need some fantastic materials such as tricolored objects. As we have taken the objects like blocks, pom-pom balls, so we'll do this activity with these two objects. You can take any other colorful toys. And for this activity, you'll be also needing an Indian flag. As I have taken the picture of an Indian flag and the printout. If you don't have the printout of the image, you can also look into your books also. Okay, so now let's get started with our activity. So now take a good look with all the objects you have. See, I have the objects which are the blocks which are green in color, orange in color. We also have the blue color. So in the Indian flag we have the orange color, green color, white color and the blue color. As my base is the white color, so I don't have to take the white colored blocks. And we can also do with the pom-pom balls, the orange and green. I have white colored also, blue colored also.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
Firstly, we'll start with the blocks. Okay, so we'll start with the orange color. Place the orange color just like the Indian flag. You can refer this picture. So I've placed all the orange blocks like we have in this picture. Now we'll do with the green color. See, I've done with the green color also. As we have the base of white only, so now we'll place the blue color in the middle like this. Is this looking like an Indian flag like this? If yes, tell me in the comment section. Okay, so now we'll do this with the pom-pom balls. Okay, so now we'll take the orange balls, then the white balls, and now the green ones. Do we have any more color in the Indian flag? Yes, the blue one is left. So now we'll take the blue balls. Okay, let's get started with the pom-pom balls. So firstly, we'll place the orange colored. I've done with the orange one. Now let's do with the white ones. Now we'll do with the green ones. Okay, so can you tell me which color is missing? Yes, the blue one. So we'll put the blue one in the center. So we have completed our Indian flag with the pom-pom balls. Does it look like the same? If yes, then tell me in the comment section. So this was the sensory bin activity. Did you enjoy this activity? If yes, let us know in the comment section. Did you find this activity interesting? Did you learn anything from this? If yes, then do like this video, share it and subscribe to our Footprints YouTube channel.